welcome to Interprise University. In the first part of this exercise, we will learn how to set up service contracts. If service contracts do not apply to your business, you may skip this exercise and go on to the next. We define service contracts for our customers so that we can track customer cases and fulfill our service level agreements with them. We will look at the option to set up service contracts. Let's set up the service contract types. Go to the Setup menu of the CRM module. Then select Service Contract Type from the options. The Service Contract Type form will display. From here, we will find default values for service contracts. We can change or add to this value so that it would apply to our business. In this example, we will add manned phone support and monitored email support as our contract types. Let's save and close this. Let's continue and set up the business calendar. SLA business calendars determine the serviceable days within the week. From the Setup menu of the CRM module, point to the Service Level Agreement option, select SLA Business Calendar. We can change the start and end hours that applies to our business. For this example, we will create business calendars for the following high priority phone support and low priority phone support. For high priority phone support, let's add an additional day, then enter start and end dates. Save and close. Let's continue and set up the holiday calendars. The SLA holiday calendar will deduct the holidays from the working days in the SLA business calendar. From the Service Level Agreement option, select SLA holiday calendar. From here, we will find default holiday calendars that we can modify or add to. In this example, we will add holiday that applies to our state. Save and close after adding the details. Let's look at the Service Level Agreement. From the Service Level Agreement option, select Service Level Agreement. We will find a default service level agreement in the list. We can modify or add to this whenever we need. In this example, we will define service level agreements for high and low priority phone support. To demonstrate this, we will create the SLA high priority phone support. We will select the appropriate business calendar and the SLA holiday calendar we specified earlier. Then, let's enter 8 hours as our response time. Create another SLA, low priority phone support. We will select the appropriate business calendar and the SLA holiday calendar. Then, let's enter 48 hours as our response time. Make sure to check the active checkbox to include the SLA to our options. Save and close after adding the details. We will now define a service contract for our customer. To do this, go to the CRM or Customer module. Click on the Customer menu and select Find Customers. Select from the list of active customers. From the Customer Detail form, go to the Service Contracts tab. First, enter the name of the contract. Then enter the contract type. We will select the type that we created earlier. Then, enter that start and end date of the contract validity. You can optionally add a contract value. If the customer has paid an additional fee to acquire the service plan or service contract, we can also attach the signed documents or other files related to service contract. In the SLA column, let's select the service level agreement we created earlier. In the Details tab, we can specify the item that we apply the service contracts to. In the Name of Item column, enter the item name of the item that the service contract applies to. In the Customer Location, enter location or territory that the customer belongs to. After the customer has bought the item, we can optionally add the item serial number in the serial number column. We can optionally define another service contract in the next line. We can select the default service contract to use by the customer by clicking on the default checkbox. After entering all the necessary information, we can save the service contract by selecting any of the saving options from the customer detail form. Thank you for watching. In the second part of this exercise, we will learn how to log and track our customer cases.